welcome back. In this session, we are going to understand about physically challenged people. So, who are physically challenged people? These are the people whose sense organs or body parts does not work. Another sense organs in these people, another sense organ or some other body part becomes more efficient. Like, if a person is blind, he might be more efficient in smelling or in observing things or in listening. Similarly, if a person is handicapped by or he does not have his hands, so his legs become more efficient. So this is the thing which physically challenged people have. Now, there are some people who might be deaf, dumb, blind, they may be physically disabled or mentally challenged. These people need special care, lots of love and attention. So it becomes our responsibility to take care of them in whatever way we can. Regarding this thing, our government has also taken certain steps which are as follows, like ramps. You can see in schools, colleges, shopping malls, railway stations, metro station, there is a ramp for physically disabled people so that it becomes easy for them to travel. Second is low floor buses. This becomes easier for people to board on the buses. These buses also have reserved seats for the physically handicapped people. Special schools for vocational training. There are certain special schools for such people to get vocational training. There are also reserved seats in colleges, government offices and UPSC exams so that these people can also come in front and have the facility of coming into mainstream with the other people.
3.
Let us now understand some examples. First is Helen Keller. She is a very intelligent and sensitive woman. She is a symbol of victory over all challenges. She has lost her sight and hearing at a very young age. Her teacher Annie Sullivan taught her to speak through using sign language, and she had met her teacher at the age of 7. Since then, they both were inseparable till the death of her teacher. She became world famous speaker, teacher and author. One of her famous book is The Story of My Life. Now next example is of Stephen Hawking. He is a famous scientist. He knows 7 different languages. He has a motor neuron disease due to which he has no control over his limbs and hence he is confined to a wheelchair. In spite of this, his lectures are very highly sought and his books are bestsellers. He is currently teaching physics at Cambridge University, England. Stephen Hawking died on 14th March 2018. Now let us see the third example, that is Sudha Chandran. She is an Indian classical dancer. She lost her leg in a road accident and doctors said that she would never be able to walk. But due to her determination, she was not able to walk only, but she also danced again, and she is still dancing with her artificial leg. Now next is Stevie Wonder. He is a famous singer. He is blind. Despite of this thing, he can play many instruments which also includes piano and drums. And our last example is Ravindra Jain. He is a famous Indian music composer and lyricist. He was born blind, but he learned music from renowned musicians, and gradually he gained fame in composing music for Hindi films and serials. That's all for today's chapter. Thank you.